I'm Beth, and this is my husband, Chris. We're here for a family picnic. We're having the picnic in the country. That's my dad, Ted. He loves to fish. And that's my mom, Angela, on the left. She's talking to my Aunt Helen and Uncle James. Helen is my mom's sister, and James is Helen's husband. And that's my sister, Kimberly. Jake's playing in the woods. He's 12 years old and very active.
Jake, what are you doing?
Kimberly is Jake's mom.
Jake?
So Jake is my nephew. That's Ryan and Megan. Ryan is Kimberly's husband, and Megan is their daughter. So he's my brother-in-law, and she's my niece. Here are my mom's parents, Kathleen and Jerry. So they're my grandmother and grandfather. They're my grandparents.
Oh, look, there's Ted. What's he doing?
He's trying to catch a fish.
Okay, everybody, over here.
And now Chris is taking a family photograph. He takes a picture of us every time we get together.
Say cheese. Cheese!
And that's my family.